out there.
Technical foul on Steve Kerr. He got a technical when we were in San Francisco. And he's upset that there wasn't a foul called. And Steve Kerr's gone, so he will watch the rest of the game from the visitors' locker room. For the Golden State Warriors, 9-28. But Steve Kerr for the Golden State Warriors, 9-28. But Steve Kerr.
And Rondo said to stay home. He didn't want any double teams.
That'll be now the 14th.
And LeBron's even laughing, Strook, and LeBron thoroughly entertained.
Got the Bulls right back in it. The young
Boy, he looks like himself tonight, really, for the first time since coming back as Long Masters. And did a howl at the moon at LeBron James. That's kind of and did a howl at the.
Now, you don't see that very often from Harry. He's a very good passer.
No, he's a very skilled passer, but that was, again, trying to be more creative than necessary.
Harry, he's a very good passer.
No, he's a very skilled passer, but that was,
3. 2 team fouls apiece. Ben Simmons will go to the stripe with Joel Embiid.
Hey. I just feel better when he's in the building.
Here, Ben Simmons, one of them. And Yusuf Nurkic, the other. And you can almost hear from here.
Mitchell outside. Shot clock at 10. Gobert with the screen. Mitchell with a drive. Stops, buys it. Up. 106-102. That is one clutch hoop for Donovan Mitchell.
No Griffin, they're going to need a lot from Jackson tonight, and until Griffin's able to come back. And Antetokounmpo is putting it on the Pistons.
And that play right there, this guy's going to be in the open floor. Just puts tremendous pressure on you. The size.
5 of the shot clock. LeBron James. Oh my goodness.
The fourth quarter, after shooting a better 50% all game. Oh boy.
In that screen, he had an uncontested 3 look. He's got
to come up. When LeBron James is quiet, you start talking too much trash, you will wake him up.
LeBron James, hang time.
Hey, how about hang time
would be the turning point?
Well, as Elliott pointed out, even though he came down on offense, he was just looking over the Raptors bench, and there again.
Cavaliers.
I said it before, it's worth repeating. The Raptors need and third shot opportunities. They allowed them life after stops. And the
Cavaliers. James with 39 points, 11 rebounds, and 8 assists.
Wilt Chamberlain and Oscar Robertson were the 2 others to post those numbers for a playoff series as Collins and Jokic start jawing here. We saw it with there's one thing about Zach Collins.
Biggest lead they had was 17. Boy, just a quick step back, double clutcher. Herky jerky, you don't know when he's going to shoot it. Boy, just a quick step back, double clutcher. Herky jerky, you don't know when he's